Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at the Stihl MS 290 chainsaw. This one features a 16-inch bar and chain, sprocket nose, 3/8 pitch. Very popular combination for firewood cutting. And we'll take a close-up of some of the features it has. Master controls right here. All the way up is off. We have run, ignite, high idle, and high idle choke. Has an operator presence lever. Won't throttle up unless the operator's hand's in place. Twist lock caps are really nice. Flip up, black lever flips up. Get a good grip on it, you can open that cap up. Same on the oil reservoir on the side here. Falling spike. Working chain brake. Chain tensioner, loosen the two nuts up right here, and right in the center is the chain tensioner. It is rubber mounted for smoother operation. It's a very nice firewood cutting chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it now.